Hey there everybody, so HeroicLegend here, and I'm back playing for you guys Dragon Warrior 3. I know it's been quite a while since I've last played it, I know. Please do try to forgive me. Again, with the whole audio thing, I wasn't quite sure how well this would play nice. As I'm discovering, it's not playing very fucking nice with, action and, the GBA games, because I can't quite control their volume. So... okay, I can't go in there. Damn it! Damn it! Now is not the time, monsters. I'm trying to fucking figure out how much I can do. I really do apologize if the audio was a problem in this episode. Like, it's been a struggle to figure out what kind of works. Of course, using a boom microphone, I can kinda, like, play around with some of the stuff. Oh, I didn't have to walk on this. Might be important later. Yeah, but just basically, I really needed to mess with the actual speaker audio instead of just normally. Frickin' Christ. No, save your mana, guys, save your mana. This is what we have to do in order to make sure that we do not get super fucked over. But yeah, no, recording started so late today because I was busy testing OBS and seeing how well that works. It works actually just fine. I fixed up everything. We're going to start to do a bit of trial testing with Monster Hunter. But I'm hoping it works fine. Like, I really am. It'd make me really upset if it wasn't. And if it does, and hopefully, you know, that's just the end of the story. And well, there won't be any problems. That's what I'm hoping for. Right? Because right now the problem is I could increase the sensitivity. I think it's the sensitivity on the microphone itself. The 3 settings in the back, 1, 2, and 3. I found that 2 is the best because it cancels out a lot of little background noises that could happen because I don't have an actual proper setup. Again, instead of a desk, I'm using a table. Instead of, you know, a microphone stand, it's on the table, on the lap desk. Instead of filtering everywhere, like the stuff to cover the walls, it's just my room. So, yeah, that's kind of what I'm working with right now, and I'm hoping this is fine. However harsh the storm may be, my ship will never sink. Wahaha! Okay. No, it's Horks, and I smell something delicious. Damage is weird. I was about to say, did Izak attack already? Because I didn't feel like I saw his damage go up. Ah, defensive position. That's why. That's why they weren't taking as much damage. But he was not defending that time, which is why he got punched in the face. Ah, here's the downstairs. It's a very big ship. What the? There's no reply. It is a corpse. Slaves and criminals row. Ooh, treasure. I killed him. I have no right to refuse any fate. But Eric there did nothing wrong. Poor soul. Olivia, the ship is sinking. Being taken from you forever. I will never forget you, or the memory of our love. I hope you will find happiness. It's horrible to drown. No, I don't want to die. It hurts. We're slaves. Row, row, row. Nothing there. Ah, oh, ooh. Spicy. Pretty sure, like, this is only something Ruru could wear. What are we giving up for this, though? She's wearing 2 tiaras? What the fuck? And Ruru actually does gain an increase in defense for wearing the garter. She's wearing the garter over what, though? Oh, wait a minute. I have an idea. Damn it. Damn it! Oh, haha! Peace, bitches! Fuck. I never knew we could row even into... Haha! Yeah, buddy, that's the bad part about being fucking curse like you, huh? Dang it! Yeah, I'm gonna bone him. Well, it didn't work as planned. If you'll excuse me, I kinda just would like— Damn it! Leave me alone. Oh no, there was noises made. This is exactly why I have to leave it set on 2. Maybe if I get proper setup going on, I can change that up a bit, you know. And I learn to not be so rough with my controllers. Like, hide them beneath something. Or just press the buttons later. Okay. Ooh, poison did needle, dagger needle. Fuck! Fuck him up! Fuck it up, kill it, murder it! Izak, punch it in the— Oh! No! Ha! Fuck off. With your fucking double attacky bullshit. You gonna cast beat on us, or I'm gonna cast fucking die on you. You died. Money. Okay, that's fine. A token. Alright. And a mimic. No, just money. Okay, that's fine too. There's nothing in the barrel. Tiny metal! Yay, I got a medal. Nothing. Anything in the pot? In the barrel? Barrel? Those are pots. How do you mess that up? Wait, vase? Didn't say, you know, I don't care anymore. Can we sleep here? A love memory? I mean... you're chump change, you merdames. I'm gonna fuck, I forgot how to say it. I'm gonna how do you adjective this? Try to make a Metalocalypse joke for anyone who knows, just the song Mermaider. It's awkward to actually use in casual conversation. Ooh, metal. Now if I talk to Eric... Oh, you're still there, Eric. I was kind of wondering if you, You know, that, other well-endowed slave over there is just like... Oh, oopsie. I'm like, I'll just show him the memory of love. Oh, wait a minute. Where's the memory of love? Did Izak take it? What the hell do I do with this bone? Really, dude? Oh, you're not a ghost, it seems. Ah, you don't get treasure. There are only ghosts here. Okay. Corpses suit a ghost ship. Join the crew in death! See, you talk a big game, but you're a tiny bitch. So, Izak, punch him in his tiny bitch face. Fuck it, I'm not even gonna go light on you, man. I'm gonna freaking give you the Orochi. You think you talking you think you tough shit. Is everyone fucking dogpiling the fucking mini bitch? He couldn't even take an Izak punch. What a weak bitch. Tiny metal! Yay! It's even the fucking tiny metal's laughing at him at this point. Fuck, man. Oh, there was... Well, I mean, I got the memory. Back. Back! Grab us! Wait, was that it? Is there nothing more to do here? Did I do the do? Did I win? hope I won. I really hope I won. Fire! Krabus. Hey, what's going on? Oh, I'm going to take the Krabus home. Get it? It's a pun. I'm punny. Monsters defeated. Ah, boy. Where the fuck would I take this item, then? Oh, no. Repel? Oh! It just flat out prevents monsters from appearing if they're weaker. I thought you were weaker! You guys barely even... So we're not stronger than these things, but we can murder them easy? How does that make sense? Is it because Ruru's not leveled up yet? I think it's because Ruru's not leveled up yet. But even if Ruru could fucking take these bitches. Please stop appearing. Do I need to tiptoe too? No, wait a minute. We fought these before. We're way stronger than them. What are you talking about, fucking... These monsters are as strong or stronger than us. You can kiss my heroic ass if you think I'm gonna buy that for 1 second. What's up here? Same downstairs. Wait, was that the only thing I needed here? What do you have to say? A storm. See the wind. Waves. Arrgh! Return? Oh wait, maybe I remembered something by accident. I have no idea what I'm supposed to do now. I'm like actually lost. This is Olivia Cape. Olivia is said to have leapt to her death here when she heard of her lover's death in a storm. She can't find peace in death. She calls back passing ships. Somewhere to soul from the memento of her lover Eric, her soul should rise to heaven. It's rumored that Eric should roam the seas as a ghost ship. Peace will finally return to this kingdom. Someone there. I'm the king. Someone took the chain staff and okay, so I need to find Olivia's cape. But I have no idea where that is. Oh no, I've... oh, coughing fit. I'll be back in a sec with the coughing zone. Oh, hey, my coughing fit is gone. Hooray! I didn't do anything unsavory. But I think I remember hearing something about, like, sailing down here or something. I just want to check this area, you know, nothing. I spent, like, 2 weeks away from this game. I think I can get a little bit of a pass here. What the... Huh. I believe I was fed misinformation. Or I might have just read the shit wrong. Ah, fuck it. I mean, we got the thing and fought something that wasn't even considered. That wasn't even worth being called a mini boss. It wasn't even worth being called a mid boss. It's more like, oof. It's more like a frick. Grrr. No, both the repel and that. Dang it. cast Repel, and then we cast Tiptoe. Oop, sorry. Okay, let's try then sailing from... Wait, I didn't want to go here. Yeah, I want to go to... Zipangu. Oh, pardon me. And we're gonna have to freaking go up to go rest at the inn. Yeah, let me stay. Let me sleep. Sleeping. Eating sleep. There's a Baku in here. He ate my dreams. And we go around this and up past the face-looking mountains. Keep sailing upwards, enjoy ourselves, have a nice time, blah blah blah. Yep, we already made an No! Izak, tiptoe! Tiptoe through the window, I don't know the lyrics. Damn it! I have MP now. I repel. Weak monsters, stay away from me, you trash. Ah, yes, okay. So, grrr. Fucking condors. Get punched. And stabbed? Get hit in the head with a staff. Could just said magic did. No, we're gonna explore. I will check out that river at some point, though. Some point. Stick along the coast. What? Hello. What's this? Ah, traveling, are you? You remind me of my youth. In the past, I accompanied a hero by the name of... He said that Paris had fallen in the mouth of a volcano. I refuse to believe that. You met my dad. Can you tell me? Meow? Meow. Yes. Meow? Fine, go south, search in the middle of the... Okay. Thank you, kitty cat. I don't know what a man with two cats is doing in the middle of fucking nowhere, in a shrine no less, but... I mean... Okay. No! Stop it! I need to repel these monsters so I can make progress. But it's already coming to the end of the episode! Oh, there's another shrine. Maybe someone will tell me something? This is Olivia Cave. Oh, I found it! I found it again! Yeah, okay. Okay, we'll do this next time we play Dragon Warrior, alright? So, I want to thank you all for watching and do hope you enjoyed this episode. If you liked it, consider leaving a like on the video itself. So consider subscribing to the channel for similar content. Please, if you enjoyed this episode and you want to watch the playlist, consider sharing it with friends so they can enjoy it if you truly enjoyed it. You don't have to, but it would really help, you know, get the channel some more attention, and I really love doing this for you guys. And once again, big thank you all for watching, and laters.